Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have a short video, but it will be very useful for your coming projects. I want to start giving you all the tools so you can start making your gift for these coming holidays. Look, it is in relief and it could perfectly work for a reversible stitch too. So I will give you step by step and I hope that you like it. Well, let's start and don't forget to subscribe. Well, I call this project the bricks stitch. We will use two different colors and we will decide which color will be the base of our project. In this case, remember, I'm making a sample. So I decided I'm going to start with this blue and I will start making chains. Well, according to the project you are using this stitch for, you are going to make these chains that you need. The key is to make multiples of 4. So I'm going to make a sample, so I'm just going to make few chains. Look, I made 40 chains. I'm going to make 2 more, and before the 2 chains I'm going to count 2, and right there I'm going to start the first double crochet and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each space. It's important that we always insert the hook the same way. We will take all the stitches and like this the whole row. Well, at the end we will make a knot with a new color. In this case I'm going to use a light beige. So right here I'm going to start, and while I make this I'm going to hide these threads that I have here, and I will take the blue thread with me through all the row. So you will see we will start making half double crochet in each stitch like this, but only taking the beige with us. As you could see, while I make this stitch, I'm taking both threads, the blue and the beige. Well, like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay? I'm going to continue making a few stitches with you so we can review. Remember, we are making half double crochet and we will make 1 in each stitch. You see, while we make this row, we bring this thread through the stitch and we hide it, you see, and now we have the thread in this side too, and now we have both threads of both colors in this side. And now we will finish the row and we'll come back a little bit to make the last stitch taking both threads. We are going to make half double crochet like this. Now turn around, go up with 2 chains taking both threads, and now we will hide this beige and we will only use the blue thread, and we will make the same. While we make the row, we will bring this thread through the other side and we will make a double crochet in each stitch, okay, taking both parts of the chain like this. Well, we will continue like this the whole row. Remember to bring with you this beige thread. Well, at the end we will have something like this. If you want, pull a little bit, but not too much because we can distort the stitch, okay, just to adjust. At the end we will finish the row taking both threads and we will make the last double crochet with 2 colors to go up, okay? Then turn around, go up with 1 chain, and now we will use the beige and we will make single crochet. From here we will start counting 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th with the beige we will climb and we will go back to the part where we have the beige too, and we will climb going up to the row where we are. And now look, this is where we make the last single crochet. This is where we make this double crochet in relief, and now we will continue with the next one. And let's start counting. 1, then 2, and 3. Then here again in the 4th, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will climb making chains. 1, 2, 3, and we will arrive to the row where we were. Okay, again we will count 3, and we will continue bringing with us this blue thread. But while we crochet, we will only take the beige. Remember, after we make this stitch in relief, we are going to continue right with the next stitch, because if we crochet also that stitch, we will increase a lot our project, and at the end it will distort. So please be careful. So remember, after the 3 single crochet, we will repeat this where we make the double crochet in relief. We have to climb and we have to bring the blue thread with us while we make. Please count and take the stitch in relief too. Like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, at the end of the row, taking both threads, we will finish making the last single crochet like this, okay? Then we will go up with 2 chains with both threads. Now we will only continue with the blue and we will make double crochet. We have to be careful and respect that this stitch is already taken. So please be careful because we might increase some stitches there. So we will continue only with the blue thread making double crochet, and while we make this, below we will bring the beige thread with us. So far, are you recognizing this series? This is the second row of this series. When we finish, we are going to close this series making this row in relief, okay? But first, let's finish this row. Well, look, at the end of the row, we will close making the last double crochet with both threads. Turn around and we will go up with 1 chain and we will repeat the thread where we make the double crochets in relief. But now we are going to alternate. We are going to make this relief here between the last 2 double crochet. In this case, we will start making only with the beige color the first half double crochet, and right away in the second we will make the stitch in relief. We will climb, remember, then we will count 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th again, and right in between the last 2 double crochet right there, we will make this stitch in relief. After this stitch, we will count 3 half double crochet, we have 2 and 3, and in the 4th again we will climb. We will insert our hook in relief and we will climb making chains until the row where we are, and like this the whole row only with the beige color. And while we make this, we bring our second color with us below, you see, and we are going to alternate these double crochets. So like this is how we are going to continue repeating this series until we get the long of the project that we are using this stitch for. Once we are going to use the blue color, and once we are going to use the beige color. And it's a very important hack that we have the thread and we bring the thread with those below, because if not we have to make knots and at the end we will have all the threads behind, and like this we make sure that we have a stitch that it's reversible. As you could see here, I already get ahead and made more rows. You have this view in this side, this could be your right side. You will decide which view you like the most, and you can use this stitch for a scarf, a baby blanket, or a blanket for your room, for a present. I told you that I want to give you all the tools and many ideas and different stitches so you can start making your gift for this coming Christmas, for these holidays, or you can make what else? Sweater, a bucket, a hat, a beanie. You can make a lot of things, okay? So please let me know if you use this stitch, and please also tell me where you probably will use this stitch. So I want to read all your ideas, and I hope that you make different combinations too, and also you can mix textures. So I can wait what you make with this stitch, with this brick stitch. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this short but very useful video. I hope that you like it. Please, if you do, just give me a like, subscribe, don't forget to leave me a comment. I want to read your ideas. I want to read where you will use this stitch. If you make it, please take a picture and tag me in all my social media. I would love to see you making this stitch. So well, before you go, it's important that you subscribe, that you follow me in my social media, and I really appreciate that you watch this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you soon. And remember, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.